Aloha kakahiaka Maka Koa. Welcome back to Maka Koa broadcast. I'm Pearl here with my co-anchor Ethan.
Today is Monday, April 13th.
Now here's the schedule for today.
Today is a B-Day and the rotation starts with Block 1. What a shocker.
And here's what you need to know this week, Warriors.
Aloha Warriors, I'm Mahia Dean, your new forecaster for Maka Koa's weekly weather report. O kala umikumakolu o apelila keia oya kapo'akahi. Today will be partly sunny with a high temperature of 78 degrees. You can also expect some showers for a majority of the island and mainly in the afternoon. It may not be all clear skies, but you know what that means. Ue kalani ola kahonua. As the week goes on, things will start to clear up, so enjoy the rain while it lasts. The humidity conditions today are fairly high at 72%. There will also be some breezy trades coming mostly from the northeast, with speeds ranging from 11 to 12 miles per hour. Well, that's all I have for a quick check on the forecast of the week. Have a great day, everyone, and remember to stay healthy and safe. Aloha!
Many government elections are going on right now. I'm sure you've all seen your Haumana's campaigns on social media. Remember to cast your vote via email between April 20th and April 22nd.
And since we will be practicing distance learning until the rest of the year, if you have any issues at all with your laptop, please make sure to contact Ms. Fujiwara immediately.
As of Sunday, April 12th, there are 499 confirmed cases of coronavirus in Hawaii, 350 on Oahu, 84 on Maui, 21 on Kauai, and 39 on the Big Island. 310 patients have recovered since the start of the outbreak, and 10 new recoveries have been reported today.
And you can keep track of these numbers on local news sites, but if you'd like to look at more global numbers, you can check out a site that was suggested by our own Miss Pang down below. And now it's time for Pet of the Week.
We'd like to introduce you to Jaden and Jackson Pahukula's cat, Simba. He is fond of hogging the bed and precariously chills out in the middle of the street. Cute, but a little concerning. Mahalo e Nakane for sharing Simba with us.
And don't forget to send pictures of your pet with a short bio so we can feature them here on our show. And if you're going to leave your house to go shopping for food or any other essential need, masks are a must. And if you can't get your hands on one, you can sew one. So we have a video down below to show you how to do that. And if you have any mana'o on the show, go follow our Instagram and send us your idea. And don't forget your pictures of your pets.
Mahalo for watching Maka Koa. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please hit that sub button so every time we go live, you'll know. Ahuiho.
Ila mai kai.
I mua kamehameha.